Hello, I'm Rod Pinkston. For those of you who don't know me, I used to be the CEO of Jager Hog Control Systems for the past 19 years. Now, I'm the Master Instructor at the Hog Control Academy. Welcome to episode 1 of the Flint River Project. Now, you're probably asking yourself right now, what is the Hog Control Academy and what is the Flint River Project? Fair enough. It'd be easier if I just show you. The Hog Control Academy was formed in 2023 to write the best management practices of feral pig control, which has been approved by the National Wildlife Control Operators Association. We will begin training and certifying private industry hog control operators in late 2025 after all training courses are published to hogcontrol.com. Most land managers and organizations fail to accomplish whole sounder removal because 1. They do not invest resources needed to identify the total number of pigs present prior to performing their primary removal event, or 2. They do not implement an alternate secondary removal effort on adaptive survivors, and 3. They do not document removal percentages to effectively analyze data from the method or technology utilized. The 2018 Farm Bill provided a window for pilot projects in 10 states to collect feral swine harvest data. Every pilot project measured their work by reporting that they spent X amount of money to remove Y number of pigs from Z number of acres. This equation does not measure production or efficiency. Most state and federal organizations are overweight in data and starving for information due to this antiquated philosophy. A better approach is to record the exact number of pigs in the sounder first, and then compare it to the actual number of pigs removed to determine removal efficiency per event. Only then can we numerically analyze best management practices to accurately compare people, processes, and products against each other. We developed a capture success matrix to measure and overcome these obstacles. The capture success matrix achieves whole sounder success by incorporating an innovative conditioning process, whereas the population dynamics and education level of each individual sounder dictates the time between steps. The Flint River Project is a 5,000-acre tract of land along the Flint River in Georgia and owned by one entity. Over 850 pigs were removed using this whole sounder approach by one 57-year-old operator from 70 miles away while working only 2 days per week. This efficiency has never been captured on video, let alone aired on YouTube in chronological order. If I can accomplish this task from 70 miles away, then operators half my age or younger should be able to accomplish the same results in the same county they live in if they follow the same process. I installed 10 spin-cast feeders with digital timers set to disperse approximately 6 pounds of corn daily at dusk. One feeder was installed approximately every 500 acres to create bait sites throughout the entire property. I evaluated the removal efficiency of one net trap, which is 20 feet in diameter, one suspended trap, which is 23 feet in diameter, and 4 double gate corral traps, which are 35 feet in diameter. No trap was erected until feral pigs had conditioned to an automatic feeder at least 5 consecutive days, except for one permanently erected double gate corral trap used as our control. All heights and distances of Jager Pro ice cameras were standardized from the automatic feeder to maximize viewing area and document sounder populations. I also utilized thermal shooting operations at night when single adults patterned to a feeder or when seasonal food source availability was abundant. Pigs had less desire to consume corn at an automatic feeder when wheat, oats, and rye were mature in food plots, or mass crops such as acorns and hickory nuts were falling. Open field reconnaissance consisted of a 640 by 480 resolution thermal monocular for scanning and stalking. Shooting equipment consisted of a 640 by 480 resolution thermal scope with laser rangefinder mounted on a .308 caliber semi-automatic rifle for rapid follow-up shots on multiple targets. We will keep a running total of each trapping and shooting product's performance so the audience may evaluate results. We expect it will take approximately 150 episodes to cover the entire Flint River Project. We intend to share a short video of equipment success or failure on the Jager Pro YouTube channel. However, if you wish to see the longer strategic version of our step-by-step strategy for hole sounder removal, please subscribe to the Hog Control Academy YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Hog Control Academy, teaching the art and science of integrated wild pig control. Our instructors are Army trained, combat tested, and farmer approved. We'll see you next week.